Behind me is our latest finished project in Thornton. We did a kitchen renovation and changed the garage into a mudroom, so finished the space. In the general area of the kitchen, we swapped everything out, so new lighting, new drywall, new floor, new cabinets and countertops. The garage, everything is new. We removed some walls, removed the ceiling, changed out everything out there, added new floor, added a new face wall to the face of the garage, added a arch door to the exterior, some windows, and a swing on the outside. So on the range wall, we have, because of the high ceilings, we added a ladder to the top. In the upper doors, we have Kent Designs wire in the satin brass finish. The walnut ladder is a kit with the wheels. In the bottom of the pantry cabinet and other places in the project, we have the furniture feet cut out. Beside the range, we have the utensil pull out with the knife block in the back. We have a 48-inch monogram range. We have the pot filler above it, and then the hood with the walnut pieces and the walnut brackets. In the range wall here, we have the Taj Mahal quartzite countertops, and that we continued up through with the backsplash as well. On the right side of the range, we have a spice rack pull out. And in the corner, we have the blind corner pull out with the wire baskets. So this is a really popular pull out, very good use of space. The refrigerator wall, we have two columns with the panels on them, and to the left we have the floating shelves with the light above it. On the island, we have the microwave drawer on the left of the sink. We have this farm sink with a quartzite drip rail and the furniture feet at the bottom, a panel dishwasher, and a double trash. All the walnut is finished in natural finish. So on the island, we have a 2.5-inch thick quartzite countertop with the Moen faucet and Moen soap dispensers, one on each side. We have pendant lights on the island. We also did a new beadboard ceiling with a Sonos set in here, speakers. Coming in to the mudroom, we have the arch brick opening that we framed out and laid the brick on top. Out here, we have the floating shelves with the stemware holders and the lights underneath. In the back, we have beadboard backsplash all the way around to the coffee maker. We did this custom wine bottle holder it keeps the wine bottles on a slant so the corks stay wet. We have a double trash to the right of the sink, and then the sink cabinet, ice maker, and the Mealy coffee maker built in with some drawer space for storage for accessories. This is a washer and dryer cabinet here, and then to the right of that, we have the dry away rack. So this is a really cool feature for drying clothes. You can pull that out. We did some wallpaper here. This is from Rifle with a utility room behind here. The mudroom buildings, there's really a lot of custom features here. We have the Kent Designs satin brass wire with a walnut beadboard in the back, and then these hooks, some drawers in the bottom, and a walnut top. We added a arch mahogany door that we stained on site. And out here, this is what we did. We added this wall to close up the garage. We added two windows in the arch door. We also patched in the brick to continue around from the old brick. New siding and the lights here are new. We also did this porch swing